Welcome back to Spanish Taster. Okay, today we're doing another one of these great one-pot Spanish dishes that you can eat with a spoon. We're using bacalao, so that's salt cod, with some white beans. So start off with about a tablespoon of olive oil for cooking, and you're just going to heat that up and we'll make a sofrito. So that means we're going to use some chopped onion, which will soften, along with some chopped green and red pepper. I've got about 20 grams of each colour here. This batch is just for 1 or 2 servings, but the recipe in the description can easily be doubled. So once your sofrito is softened, add 1 clove of minced garlic and let that cook for about 20 seconds or until you can smell it. Then add 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika and mix it into the sofrito and let it cook a few seconds more before adding 2 tablespoons of tomato triturado, which is a bit like tomato passata. Then add 1 cup of stock. You can use chicken or fish stock, and then just mix in the liquids and make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the saucepan. Then add your salt cod. This is desalinated and it's already separated into small pieces. And then 200 grams of white beans. So I've got a 2-to-1 ratio of beans to the bacalao. There are no rules though, you can add more or less of either to your liking. You can also add more liquid if you want something more soupy. Then you just need to let that gently simmer for about 10 minutes. You'll notice that I haven't added any salt or pepper, and that's because I find I don't need it with the stock and the salt cod. This one I've used before. But now's the time to check the seasoning and adjust it if you need to. Then just throw in some chopped parsley towards the end and turn off the heat. And there you go, with some crusty bread, a great dinner, especially when it's cold outside or you're a bit fluey like me. And that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Spanish Taster for more homemade Spanish food, and I'll see you next time.